Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you guys are fine and doing well. I welcome you all to AppSex online support program, and this is the video lesson for class 1. Textbook Integrated Studies Computer Science page numbers 116. Chapter is 8. Let's paint. Task 3 copy and paste. Resources which are required: laptop, computer, PDF books and textbook. Summary of the lesson is: to copy, press and hold the control key on the keyboard and then press the C on the keyboard. To paste, press and hold down control. Control is the control key and then press V. V is also on the keyboard. Okay. Thought of the day: we all like people to be honest with us. Objectives. Today we will learn the concept of copy and paste. Success criteria is: use shortkeys in order to copy and paste the work. Okay, now critical thinking questions. Okay, tell me now, have you ever been to photo state shop? Have you ever seen the process of making the duplicate document? Yes? Very good. It is basically linked to the copy function. The way we do on our computer, the way we copy the work and paste, this is linked with the copy function that they perform in the Paint tool. Now we will learn about the following function where we can learn by select the shape so that the drawing handles appear by clicking on the surface area of the shape. At least 4 handles will appear around the perimeter of your shape. When you click on the center of your picture, you can see the 4 parameters which is around the perimeter of your shape. If you do not see any drawing handles, click another location on your shape until the handles appears. You will not be able to copy your shape unless the handles appears to indicate that your shape is selected. Copy your shape while it is still selected. You can copy it manually by selecting and copy from the edit menu. If you are unsure of where the copy function is on your software, you can use the shortcut by holding the Ctrl and C keys simultaneously. Ctrl C is the short key to copy the work. Okay, now we will do it practically on the Paint program. Then I will tell you how can we copy and select the shape to copy and paste. Okay, so let's open Paints program. Okay, so this is your Paints window. Okay, I am selecting this shape. I am drawing it here and we know how can we add and fill the colors on Paint. Now I wanted to copy this shape and paste it here. Now to copy the shape, you need to go to select the shape first, then right click, copy the image, and then by clicking on the right side again, click the paste option. So this way you can copy and paste the shapes. Now let's take a picture and copy and paste. Now I have drawn this shape. I want to copy it. Right click again. Or press Ctrl C with your keyboard and paste. Alright. So this way you can copy and paste your images. When you see these 4 indicators on around your picture, then you can easily copy your image or your shapes. Now you have to perform this home practice activity at home. Copy and paste the words into the matching boxes: orange, green, yellow, purple, brown, black, pink and grey, blue. You need to copy and paste the pictures into the matching boxes. basketball, kitty, penguin. You need to copy and paste the pictures into the matching box. Basketball, kitty, penguin and fish. Okay, so in the end I just want to say that we all like people to be honest with us. As we are expecting others to be honest with us, we need to be honest with others too. Respect each other's. Take care of your parents and your family.